Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. After you are inside the WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now open up any WhatsApp group that you are part of. Once you're in the group chat, now in order to tag everyone in this WhatsApp group, in the message box, first of all, type in @. Now in order to mention everyone, if you write everyone and send it, it will be sent as a random text. It will not tag anyone in this group. So what you need to do is type in @ and a pop-up will appear over here. It will show all the group members. So in order to tag everyone, you can select each member at once. Now again type @. Now select another group member. In this way, you can tag everyone in this WhatsApp group. Now we can send this message, and now these group members are tagged. So this is the only way to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.